Overlays are a great way to display additional information without making your pages too busy. But it needs to be very clear for your audience how to return to the page. The close icon is one way, but you can create additional navigation to make it even more clear. First, navigate to the overlay you want to change. Add a block to the bottom and make sure it fits the style of the overlay. Drag a button into the block and link the button back to the page. Change the copy to "Go back" or something along those lines. Finally, adjust the alignment, size and spacing of the content if needed. Learn more in our extensive help center at learn.foleon.com.